Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the difference between the right side and wrong side of the work. While there is no correct way, each side does give a completely different look to a project. And while some people prefer to have the wrong side facing out, I much prefer the look of the right side facing out. When working your pieces, one side will always be facing you. This side is considered the right side of the work. The side that is facing away from you is the wrong side, or what I like to call the back side of the work. To decipher which side is which, simply look at this side facing you and look for the V. Here you can see each of the stitches in the round and they look like a V. This is going to be the right side of the work. Now, turning it over to the back side, you'll notice this horizontal bar in between each round. This is going to be the wrong side of the work. Another great way to know if this is the wrong side is if this tail is here. This was from the start when I made my magic ring, and because I don't want this on the front side of my work, I know that this is going to be the wrong side. Now sometimes when you're crocheting, the work will tend to curl in the opposite direction, which causes the wrong side of the work to be on the outside. To correct this, all you have to do is just make sure that the front side is facing you. So just curl it back like so. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!